In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone in Microsoft Teams. It's a common scenario where you might have blocked someone in Teams, perhaps accidentally, or during a period when you didn't want to receive notifications or messages from them. Now that you're ready to re-establish communication, unblocking them is a straightforward process. The very first step to begin this process is to open your Microsoft Teams application, whether it's the desktop client or the web version, and then direct your attention to the left-hand navigation pane. This area houses your primary communication hubs, and you'll want to locate and select the Chats icon. Once you've clicked on Chats, your main window will transform to display your complete history of conversations and contacts. This chat list is where all your individual and group discussions reside. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout. You'll see a scrollable list of all your recent interactions. If the person you wish to unblock isn't immediately visible at the top of your recent chats, you may need to scroll down through your conversation history or use the search bar at the top of the Teams interface to quickly find their name. This ensures you're in the correct section to proceed with the unblocking process. With your chat list in view, the next crucial step is to locate the specific individual you intend to unblock. Scroll through your list of contacts until you find their name. Remember, if you've previously blocked them, their chat might appear slightly different or be lower down in your list, depending on recent activity. If you're having trouble spotting them among your active conversations, utilize the search function at the top. Simply type their name into the search bar, and Teams will filter your chat list, making it much easier to pinpoint the correct contact. This precision is key to ensuring you unblock the right person. Once you've successfully located the name of the person you want to unblock, the next action involves simply moving your mouse cursor over their chat entry in the list. You don't need to click on their name to open the chat window itself. Just hovering your cursor over their contact card will suffice. As your cursor hovers, you'll notice that a small set of icons or options will typically appear alongside their name. These context-sensitive options provide quick access to various actions related to that specific chat, setting the stage for the next crucial step in our unblocking process. Among the options that appear when you hover your cursor over the person's name, you'll clearly see an icon represented by 3 horizontal or vertical dots. This is universally recognized as the More Options or ellipsis menu. This little icon is your gateway to a broader range of settings and actions for that particular contact. Carefully move your cursor to this 3-dotted icon and give it a precise click. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, presenting you with several choices that are relevant to managing your interaction with this individual within Microsoft Teams. After clicking the More Options icon, a detailed contextual menu will instantly pop up right next to the person's name. This menu offers a variety of choices, such as mute, pin, hide, or remove from favorites, among others. Your task here is to carefully scan through these options to find the one that specifically addresses unblocking. It's important to read each option clearly to ensure you select the correct one. In this scenario, you're looking for an option that explicitly states unblock to reverse the prior action of blocking them. Take your time to locate it accurately within the displayed list. Finally, once you've identified the unblock option within that contextual menu, simply click on it. This single click will initiate the unblocking process. Depending on your team settings or the version you're using, you might receive a small confirmation notification indicating that the person has been successfully unblocked. Once confirmed, you should now be able to send messages, receive calls, and interact with this individual in Microsoft Teams, just as you would with any other contact. You've successfully reversed the block, restoring full communication capabilities. That's all there is to it.